Well, I guess you guys are wondering if I had advents this year, and I do. My first one that I have came in not a fancy box. I tell you, it's not fancy. It came from Etsy, and all of them are in the box like this. So I'm going to pull out the first 5. So I got to find them. There's 2. There's 4. 3. Oh boy, they're all mixed up. I can thank my cats for this. Oh, there's 1. I think that's 1. No, that's 10. Ah. There's 5. Now I just gotta find 1. Thank my cats for this. Oh my. There's 7. Oh dear, that might be 1. I'm looking to see if there's another one named 10. There's 8, 11, 12, 16, 20, 28, 17, 6, 12, 15. Well, the cats may have taken one of my boxes. I still think this is 10, but we'll open it up as number 1. So there is that one. This one, that's not even our Etsy shop. I'm going to have to go look up the Etsy shop and put it in the bottom of the description box. And I do have a wooble, but it is a 12-day wooble, so I won't be opening it yet. But I also have this one, and here's this one. It is a Build-A-Bear. Ta-da! So, let's go ahead with Build-A-Bear and open day 1. And day 1 is a, of course they tie it in there. Day 1 is a bear. It's so cute. So there's day 1. Day 2 is hooked in the box. So you can't take it out, right? Day 2 is a little top. That's cute. Alright, now we're on to day 3. Day 3 would be a little pair of breeches. That's cute. Day 4. I swear. They hook them all in the box. Day 4 is a hat. And we're going for day 5. And day 5. Day 5 is a stocking that hooks on the hand. So, I guess we should get our bear dressed and ready to go. So, we should dress our bear, right? I mean, that's what I think. So, I'm going to put the top on. They always go on over the head. I have other Build-A-Bears, guys. Because, well, Froggy's a child. So, I'm getting the top on. I'm putting in the sleeves. I'm such a child. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I have to dress my bear. But they are so cute. Especially when they're all dressed up. Absolutely love them. So, I get one sleeve in. And my cats are in here making a bigger mess than it already is. Because, well, you know me. I'm messy. I hope you guys are doing your own advent. I absolutely enjoy an advent. So we have a top on. And I'm trying to get the breeches on. They are really tiny. I really hope that they planned these well. Here comes Wednesday to help. Because she thinks all stuffed animals are for her. When I was in the living room with my bigger Build-A-Bears, she started to take off with one of them. My husband had to get it away from her. She does think all stuffed animals are here. I did order the cats in Advent, but it's not here yet. And I'm not happy. But it is only a 12-day Advent. But I'm not happy that their Advent's not here yet. Okay, we're not going to sit with Mommy at the moment. Mommy's doing a video. Oh, say hi to say hi to everybody. Okay. There you go. That's my my night. My cat's always climbing on me. I'm putting the stocking on the hand. And I don't know that the hat will stay on. It doesn't seem to have the loopies like they normally do. I'm looking for the loop. Oh, there it is. There's the loopies. They're built into the hat. There's one. And let's get the other one in. And our first bear doesn't have his rear end covered. I'm sorry. So sorry. I'm trying to get the tail through the back of the shorts. Yep. There it goes. That'll hold the bear up. There is our first bear. And he's super cute. Yep. You see he has a little thing for his tail on the back. But there's our first bear from the Build-A-Bear Advent. He is super cute. Love that. It's going to sit on my desk until my cats steal it. So we're going with box 1. At least I hope it's box 1. If not, it's okay. I'll find the other box that's missing. So in this box, oh, okay, there is a bunch of little things. That's cool. I love that. And there's a little bit of polyfill. So I'm going to save all the bits of polyfill for doing amigurumis. Those boxes can be reused. They're nice, actually. Alright, let's see what's in the bag. Oh, it's a bunch of little tools. So first, oh nice, this is a stitch stopper. That's a stitch stopper. There it is. Crochet all day. And this is the other stitch stopper right there. And okay, it says string all the beads on the silver metal pin, screw the pin into the black pin, turn the bottom black barrel of the pin to open and close the pin. Oh, so they want us to put these on this pin. Oh, it's not going to be that. It's going to be this. So I can't find the hole in the thing, but I feel. I don't know if there's a hole in this one. There is. And then there's a silver one. I don't feel the hole in the silver. Oh, there is a hole in the silver. Then we screw it in the top of this pin. Oh, this is nice. Here I am thinking that these are stitch stoppers. And you turn, and there's your pin. There you go. There it is. And you turn here. And look at that. That's awesome. That is awesome. Come on in. Come on. Quit focusing on the snowman. There it is. But it is so cool. There's a little silver bead that went in the bottom. That's awesome. I love that. That's in the first one. And there were instructions. So that's awesome. So, I'm sorry. I'm keeping you. Box number 2. I opened from the bottom. So I got polyfill. And I got this awesome key ring, which I absolutely keep on my keys. It's great to pick up stitches in knitting. And it makes an emergency crochet hook for crochet. And for box number 3, these boxes are really pretty. So box number 3, we also have the same bunch of little polyfill. And we have, oh, that's cool. It says necklace with pendant cutting tool. So we have this little necklace thing. It's really stretchy. And we have the pendant, if you guys are familiar with the pendant cutting tool. That's cool. This is a nice advent. And it was not expensive. And then we have this box for. And, oh, it's filled with yarn. It's bursting. So it's, oh, 3 of my favorite colors. So we have little bits of color. So we have pinks and green. The labels don't tell you how much is on there. They just have cute little things. I'm sure this is acrylic. It feels like an acrylic. It looks to be a DK weight of acrylic. So that's nice. Little bits of acrylic. I could use these in amigurumis. And we're on to box 5, which sounds metal. And, of course, more polyfilm. And they're all hooked together. And what are they? Oh, they're stitch markers with numbers. These are numbered. Come on. Come on. Numbered stitch markers. Come on, don't look at me. Come on, camera. They are numbered. So you could do this with your projects for like the number of your hooks. Yes, that's awesome. I'm trying so hard to get it to come in without capturing my face or the snowman, and it's just not doing it. But that is awesome. I love the numbers. Here's the numbers. That's awesome. I absolutely love that. I like this crochet advent. I will put a link to the Etsy store that I got it from. I don't know if they have any more or not. They did it for knitting and they did it for crochet. But I hope you enjoy this as much as I did. So every 5 days I will open the advents because I'm going to open multiple days at once. So in the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.